Hello, it's Jennifer from Sealemon. Today I have a new doodle challenge for you guys, and it's an eye doodle challenge. I made a new free printout which you can download in the description below, and it comes in a US letter size and an A4 size. So whichever one you use, you can print it out wherever you print stuff and doodle away. You can also look at the prompts on this template and draw them in your own sketchbook if you prefer. If you've ever wanted to practice your drawing skills at eyes, this will be a really fun challenge to try. There are a lot of different animal eyes to try and doodle, and you'll have a new eye prompt to doodle every day. You can start this in April if you want to and do the whole thing in this month, but there is no month assigned to this, so you can really start this whenever you want and challenge yourself to make a doodle every day for 30 days. You can use the circles as a guide to start the eye shape. You can draw on them, you can cover them up with white pen if you want to. They're just there to act as a guide, and there's also enough space around the circle to draw more of the animal which the eye belongs to. I think this is going to be really fun to try, and I'm going to try my best to do the challenge with you guys. And I want to continue doing my doodle challenges themed like this and the heart challenge that I recently did, but if you guys have any ideas for future themes that you want to see on these challenges, leave your ideas, get it, ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to share your doodles on your preferred social links with a hashtag sealemon. I loved seeing all of the heart doodles from February's Heart Doodle Challenge. You guys are so creative at how you doodled those hearts. It was so fun to see, and I will be reposting and retweeting some of my favorite doodles throughout the month. I also want to mention there's more fun doodle stuff happening on my Patreon. Every Monday I post a new doodle prompt for my patrons. If you want to join the weekly doodle club, I will put the link up here and also down below for more details. I'm also working on a 1-year doodle challenge book, and there's a reward for it on Patreon if you want to sponsor that project and support it. You'll get your name printed in the book and you'll get a copy, and there's more details in that reward if you want to go check it out. I'll put it up here, and I will also put that link in the description below. I want to clarify, if you can't afford to support this channel, that's totally fine, no worries. The Patreon rewards are something extra to help support this channel so that I can make free videos for you guys to watch on YouTube. Also, while I still have you, I'm thinking of changing my upload schedule to Monday. I usually do Sunday, but I want to go to Monday because I think if it's during a weekday, I can put more attention to responding to you guys. I'm a little bit more present, so I want to change it to a weekday. And also, Monday could be Sealemon Day. It can make your Monday a little bit better and more fun, and who doesn't want that on a Monday? I still have a couple of other videos that will post on a Sunday, but eventually I'm going to change my upload schedule to Monday, so Monday is Sealemon Day. Hit that like if you like that idea, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will put the playlist that has all my past doodle challenges around here. I will also put that in the description below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Happy doodling! Bye!